Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the value of your Japanese Pokemon cards on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who maybe you found some old Japanese cards, but you don't know how to look them up. Here's how to do it. Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So usually on Japanese Pokemon cards, they usually have something in English, okay? Whether it's a number or the type of set that it's in. So I'll actually pull up the card that I was able to find out, and I'll show you what I look for when it comes to searching the prices. So this is the card that I have at hand here. And so the way it actually works is if we take a closer look, we see here that it's number 36, and then we also see the set that says Gym in English. So what I'll type in is Japanese Pokemon card, and then the number, and then the set, and then I'm able to find it. Once you find the card, I scroll down to where it says sold items, and I click on sold items. But once you click on sold items, there you have it. You can see how much this card has been selling for on eBay. So you can see it's like a $12-ish card, $40, $5 here, $5 there. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and price check Japanese Pokemon cards on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.